Right, we're taking a quick break. Special programming coming up next.
Are you worried about your child's admission in a good school? Are you running the race from one school to another? What if all schools come together at a place near you so you can compare and choose the best for your child? Yes, it's true. All leading schools of the country come under one roof on this exclusive education fair. AFAIRS presents 11th India and International Premier School Exhibition. This unique education fair that was recently held in Gurgaon and Noida saw participation of approximately 60 schools and thousands of parents. AFAIRS Premier School Exhibition has a legacy of 11 years and has won the trust and popularity of the parents countrywide.
Parents can understand about the various preschools which are on offer. Second, उनकी जो next journey जो शुरू होती है, which is very important, which we are giving them the bridge. Because जब preschool खत्म हो जाता है तो they would be looking at a formal, full-fledged school. और यहाँ पर से उनको पहले ही जानकारी हो सकती है कि कौन से स्कूल में उनको अपने बच्चे को दाखिला कराना है, उसकी फीस क्या है, अपने घर से कितनी दूरी है, उनका मिशन स्टेटमेंट क्या है, etc. आज ही के मतलब 10-11 साल पहले आज के लिए और एक मेरे लिए बड़ा मेमोरेबल दिन है कि हमारी जब पहली एग्जीबिशन हुई थी आज से 11 साल पहले, तब एक बच्चा के पिताजी ने उसके लिए एक स्कूल चुना था बॉम्बे में, ठीक है, और आज उसके फादर वापस यहीं आए हैं उसको लेके, क्योंकि वो रीलोकेट हो गए गुड़गांव में और वो +2 के लिए अपने स्कूल ढूंढते हुए आए हैं. तो आई थिंक वी हैव बीन एबल टू मेक अ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट a space for parents, because under one roof they can come and meet so many kind of schools which are participating with us from all over the country.
Keeping the convenience and availability of working parents in mind, the exhibition was organized at Gurgaon and Noida on different dates. It was put up at the Epicenter Mall in Gurgaon on 30th and 31st of August and at the Expo Center in Noida on 6th and 7th of September. On all 4 days, the participation of thousands of young parents and their children marked the footfall for the event. While 38 of NCR's leading schools took part in the Gurgaon event, 28 of them became a part of the Noida event. In the rush for admissions, worried parents are denied answers to a lot of important questions. But here at the education fair, all their queries and questions were being patiently heard and answered. Not only the school staff, but also the counsellors were present to guide the parents, so they could make a wise decision about their child's admissions.
हेल्पफुल होगा बिकॉज हम अपनी बेटी के एडमिशन करवाने आए हैं यहाँ पे और हम ऑप्शंस देख रहे हैं कि गुड़गांव में जितने भी अच्छे स्कूल्स हैं उनमें से कौन से अच्छे स्कूल में हम इसका एडमिशन करवा सकें.
एक्चुअली देयर आर सो मेनी स्कूल्स एंड इतनी सारी ब्रांचेस हैं कि यू कैन इजीली डिसाइड कि कौन सा स्कूल है और कौन से स्कूल में बच्चे को एडमिशन कराना चाहिए. एंड एज ही इज इन नर्सरी, सो अभी दिस इज द डिसीजन व्हाट आई हैव टू टेक. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी.
या डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि जनरली हम लोग को स्कूल जाना पड़ता था पता करने के लिए कि कब एडमिशन हो रहा है, कब तक होगा या लास्ट डेट कब है. तो यहाँ ये थोड़ा इजी वे है.
The Premier School event was organized very efficiently so that each parent got their queries answered.
ये एक बहुत बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म है पेरेंट्स के लिए, जहाँ अंडर वन रूफ आपको सारे स्कूल्स ऑन डिस्प्ले होते हैं, जहाँ हर पेरेंट जिसकी अपनी एक नीड है अपने बच्चे के लिए, वो जाके डिफरेंट स्कूल्स में पता कर सकते हैं कि क्या वो स्कूल वो ऑफर कर रहा है जो उनके बच्चे के लिए अच्छा है.
The event was organized in such a manner that little ones were kept busy in a variety of activities, while their parents were busy selecting the best school for them. A very crucial aspect of admissions that was covered in this Premier School exhibition was that the parents would register on the spot if they like a school. It saved parents the hassle of running from one school to the other. The trust and credibility of the Premier School exhibition comes from the fact that it has been providing guidance to parents for over a decade. It has changed the way we look at school admissions these days. All the leading schools and their staff are available to provide information to parents. Even the principals of these schools were present to provide specific guidance to each of the parents. All of this happening on one platform was a spectacle worth watching.
I think it's a good exposure and it's a good meet for us parents to meet with key people from school. That's why it matters here.
Nice thing, like generally when we go for admissions, we don't get so much, we don't get time from principal and all, but it's a nice experience over here that we are directly talking to them and asking our queries. So it's really helpful to us.
We can understand what exactly the difference is there within the school and school. Yes, it's helping us.
Direct interaction between parents and principals ensured that parents got direct and clear information, and at the same time the principals could give their opinions first-hand.
Basically in the service sector, we should be prompt in our response and transparency. When some of the parents were just here कि मैम आप यहाँ पे हैं, कोई भी बात यहाँ रह गई, आपसे पूछ रहे हैं तो एक अच्छा लग रहा है.
Talking about parents coming and meeting us, they are coming with a lot of concerns about the school and what the school is going to provide. And for each parent, they have an understanding of what the school should be and what the school should provide their children.
बहुत मुश्किल होता है प्रिंसिपल से या किसी और सीनियर ऑफिशियल से मिलना, क्योंकि उस समय वो सब अपने अपने काम में बिजी रहते हैं और यहाँ पर वो लोग पूरा दिन अवेलेबल रहते हैं पेरेंट्स की क्वेरीज आंसर करने के लिए.
There are big and small, all kinds of questions that are running through the minds of parents at the time of their little one's admission. And the exhibition offered counsellors at every pavilion to help answer these questions. The counsellors also helped parents understand what would be the perfect school that matches their child's personality.
ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है जहाँ पे हम अलग-अलग स्कूलों के really USPs को समझ सकते हैं. एक स्कूल में जाना काफ़ी मुश्किल हो जाता है. वर्किंग पेरेंट्स हो गए हैं, टाइम कमती हो गया है, सैटरडे संडे को लोग काम नहीं करते, लेकिन यहाँ पे आके उनको सब स्कूलों के बारे में मिल जाता है और इंटरनेशनल इस वक्त इज द ओनली वे टू गो.
I think it's a very good idea because lots of parents have all kinds of questions and they can't find the right answers. And it is not possible for every parent to visit so many schools. So at one place you get to meet all the schools, you find out what is your requirement.
We are telling the parents what is a CBSE school, what is an IB school, what is a Cambridge school, so that the parents can choose which is the right fit for their child.
The high point of the exhibition was individual attention that each parent got. This was given utmost priority as we understand that parents today have become extremely demanding in all aspects of their child's development. Parents looked most serious about their child's all-round development during the counselling sessions.
I guess the level of education and secondly the facilities, the infrastructure, I guess these are the two most important things.
स्कूल अच्छा होना चाहिए जहाँ मेरे बच्चे को अच्छा डेवलपमेंट मिले,
अच्छा स्कूलिंग और डिसिप्लिन हो, मतलब सारा कुछ फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल हो, बस फैसिलिटीज हो ताकि पेरेंट्स को दिक्कत ना हो.
While the pavilions were brimming with parents and counselling, there was a seminar going on for parents. There was a panel of school principals that was discussing the larger issues of child's admission. The discussion was around, is the biggest and most expensive school best for your child? The principals were arguing that each child has a personality and that personality should drive the school selection.
I think each principal in Gurgaon knows what becomes of a child is the actual flavor of the epitome of India.
After intensive counselling at the pavilions, listening to the experts in the seminar, one-on-one with the principal, if the parents like a school, they can go for on-the-spot registration. While the registration doesn't ensure admission, it does ensure saving the hassle of going to the school and standing in the queue for filling up the forms. Not just that, this registration offered parents some discount on the school fee. So if your child's name is not on the list, then you are entitled to a discount. So in a way, Premier School Exhibition offered double benefits for the parents.
अब कायम चूर्ण का नया आविष्कार गोली में भी असरदार, कब्ज, एसिडिटी और गैस को कायम रखे दूर। पेट खुश तो सब खुश। कायम चूर्ण अब टैबलेट के रूप में भी उपलब्ध।
दूर से देखा तो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी पर डिबेट कर रहे थे, पास जाके देखा तो डोमिनोज पिज्जा पर रिबेट ले रहे थे। Dominos.co.in से ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करने पर मिलेगा पिज्जा पे 50% डिस्काउंट 11 बजे से शाम 5 बजे तक, सिर्फ 21 सितंबर तक। तो कहीं से भी ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करें और पहुंच जाएगा आपका डोमिनोज बस 30 मिनट में।
दोनों लड़कों से मिली?
हाँ।
So do you like any of them?
Like yeah, but like थोड़ा like माने भी तो होना चाहिए।
हेलो सर।
पिछले हफ्ते वो कह रही थी ऑपोजिट्स अट्रैक्ट, आज कह रही है लाइक माइंडेड।
डोंट वरी सर, नॉर्मल है।
Select Shadi. Ask your select advisor about our introductory offer and save 20%. Call now.
Hello, find me.
हाँ, तोप चाहिए।
तोप मीन्स?
वो दागने वाली तोप होती है ना, वो चाहिए।
आपको कैनियन क्यों चाहिए?
क्योंकि मेरे बाबूजी बाबर की सेना में थे और उनको अब 21 तोपों की सलामी दिलवानी है। मेरे पास एक आईडी बैंक पूरा हिंदुस्तान मिलना चाहता है तुमसे, बड़े कमीने लोग हो तुम। बाबूजी किधर है?
Já vi amonte, nu ska vi Paris, amore. La vida alvega, vamos a ser amor, juro.
बैंकॉक का फन या लंदन की हिस्ट्री, चूज करना है मुश्किल विद बेस्ट होटल डील्स वर्ल्ड वाइड। कॉल और विजिट hotels.com।
The two democratic giants, a combined GDP of $21,868.9 billion US. After 9 years, Obama warms up to Modi. Only on Headlines Today.
Lava Smartphones presents India Today Global Roundtable, powered by JK Lakshmi Cement, in association with TV Asia, locally relevant, nationally connected. Media partner Yup TV. International partner Ethnic Channels Group, the heartbeat from home, and partner Confederation of Indian Industry.
It's a beautiful car all around. 4x4 with Italian engine.
Mamma mia!
Unlimited headroom.
Amazing.
And powerful AC we have. And the mileage, a real beauty. Just like you, baby.
Latest, no?
We'll take it.
बंद आंखों से कार नहीं खरीदते तो कार इंश्योरेंस क्यों? आंखें खोलो, पॉलिसी बाजार पे प्लान्स कंपेयर करो और 7,000 तक बचाओ। policybazaar.com। आंखें खोलो, कंपेयर करो।
Yepley.com, India's biggest online fashion brand.
Don't be surprised, this is no mela, nor is this an amusement park. Soaked in fun, these children had little idea that their parents close by were busy racking their brains to decide their future. That's right, This is a different and interesting side of the Premier Schools exhibition, which took special care to build children's sections so they don't disturb the parents while they search for the best schools. Unique arrangements were made to keep the naughty ones occupied. Every school's pavilion had a kids section. Every school had their own unique and different ways to keep the children busy and entertained. Activities like clay modelling, colouring, body painting, tattoos and blocks made sure kids had lots of fun. The colours and decor of the pavilion was done keeping in mind the children's moods and preferences so they don't get bored for even a second. Even though children were here for their admissions, but the whole ambience was that of a fun-filled carnival. Apart from activities and games, there were popcorn stalls, cotton candy and chocolates that made sure parents could spend long hours without the child getting bored. And parents, of course, seemed very happy with this kind of arrangement.
Very good concept actually. When we came in here, तो हमें ये लग रहा था कि सिर्फ schools के exhibitions हैं, there will be stalls and all. But looking at these, sliding झूलास and ये clay से जो program कर रहे हैं, so this gives you a chance कि आपके बेटे को भी कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है, अगर कोई और चीज अच्छी लग रही है, he can always go through that. टाइम अच्छे से डिवोट कर सकते हैं. अच्छा लग रहा है, अगर कोई और चीज अच्छी लग रही है, he can always go through that. टाइम अच्छे से डिवोट कर सकते हैं. तो मतलब there are a lot of other things which makes us, very much comfortable out here. Otherwise, we were planning, to spend just two hours basically. But now I can see, there are a lot of things to do out here. So it's very encouraging and very good.
The Premier School exhibition also had a big surprise in store for the children, a special carnival. It was made like a mini amusement park with slides, rides and swings. It was like a grand party venue where children could spend endless amount of time. A great way to channelize their energies while their parents are hard at work on their future. So everyone was delighted.
Yes, definitely. I think it's a lovely platform for the parents to come and visit, simply because, you see, as the young parents have a lot of questions. They're curious to know about where exactly they should put their child, in which school, what kind of education. I think this kind of exhibition really helps the parents to, one, understand the kind of curriculum different schools are offering, the different boards which are being offered. Also, to make a fair choice amongst, the various schools. Because these days, as you would see, their schools have lots to offer. There's a whole lot of schools, a whole range of schools available. But if the parents have to make a well-informed decision, I think, exhibitions like these give you a very good platform where they're able to then make an assessment, whether it is the education, the infrastructure, or, there are other things, maybe the teachers' training, what is it exactly they're looking for, to make a final decision for the child.
एक रूफ के अंडर मिलना और सबके एडमिशन प्रोसीजर्स के बारे में पता लगना एक ही रूफ के अंडर is a great opportunity for the parents, and usually during the weekdays they don't find time to go to visit schools, whereas here they will get to know about all the schools of Gurgaon, and even we get to meet a lot of parents.
Year after year, the admissions have become like a twisted puzzle for parents. But this fair has turned around the admission process into a festival of happy children and parents. Keeping the parents and children happy is the motto, but in a cosmopolitan city like Delhi, it wasn't easy. The Premier School exhibition had to ensure that specific requirements of parents in Delhi are addressed. There's a good population of parents working for multinationals or the ones who are in transferable jobs. It's impossible to keep shifting their child's school every time the parents are shifting. So boarding schools have become a necessity for them.
Indian boarding schools are quite well known all across the globe. Here boarding schools participate, we get every year some selected boarding schools because the local parents which are available here, they really look for at times good boarding facilities, because as I was telling you, the jobs which are available here in IT, insurance, banking or maybe MNCs demands a lot of travel and relocation. So they prefer sending their children to a good boarding schools. So boarding schools here, we have exclusive girls boarding schools participating from Dehradun. We have schools from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai. So these are all, all such cities which are having a professional, group. So they keep moving during, in these cities. So it becomes a great advantage for these parents to get a better understanding about the options of boarding schools available. And we have one of the leading, the India's top ranking schools participating here, even in boarding school section.
The initiative was very well appreciated by the parents. They could get first-hand information from the school authorities like school board, study pattern, extracurricular and fee structure, all of that at one place.
We're looking not for full boarding at the moment because our daughter is young. So we have son and daughter. So we're looking for half boarding, maybe around in Gurgaon or nearby Gurgaon area.
AFAIR's Premier School Exhibition has been organizing this event for 11 years across various states of the country. It has achieved a lot of popularity and accolades all over the country. So it became a credible platform for other schools to showcase their facilities.
It's perfect for parents who are travelling or living overseas. We're very much a fully residential boarding school for girls only. We're based in Dehradun and we appeal for parents who are particularly NRIs, maybe working overseas for 2 or 3 years on contract, and it gives the children a stability that they wouldn't otherwise have.
However, it is put out through the American style of education. And in a nutshell, if I could explain the difference, most schools are centered around learning. However, the American style of education is centered around the child. So we take the child and we say, how can we mold their educational journey? How can we see and walk side by side with them and their parents?
Along with the boarding schools' participation, there was another highlight: schools that are affiliated to the IB program. This program is beneficial to parents who want to send their children for graduation or higher studies abroad.
The implementation is different, the pedagogy, the classroom practices are different. Content उतना फर्क नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग भी national standards को incorporate करते हैं. But the way we approach the whole thing, the personalized attention we give, the differentiated instruction we use in the classroom is different, which is what advantageous to every child, you know. So it helps every child grow and blossom.
So basically we offer 2 programs accredited by IBO, that is the PYP, Primary Years Program, and the IB Diploma Program, and also the IGCSE program accredited by the Cambridge International Exams. So I think this is a great forum to let a lot of parents know, particularly those parents who work with corporates, the NRIs, the expats, and people who are moving from one country to another, about curriculum that can be comfortably transferred from one country to another nation.
The advantage of a gents education is that no matter where you're studying, you are benefited by the collective wisdom and experience of more than 11,000 professionals across the world. So the education that the children, a GEMS child gets, is truly global and international in nature.
Our intent here is to give them information about that and make them aware of why do you want to get into an IB curriculum or an international curriculum, what are the benefits which Indus can impart as a school. So that's why a lot of parents come to us, and the main reason is that they want to go outside, which is abroad for their further studies, which we help them in. Our dedicated placement department, which is in all the 3 schools, help all the kids to get their profiles made and get them placed onto international universities.
This carnival of schools, parents and children held in Gurgaon and Noida received great response from all across Delhi and NCR. It was a vast pool of information for the parents who also understand the relevance and importance of choosing not just the best but also the right school for their children. After Noida and Gurgaon, this exciting exhibition is coming to Delhi, but it's a bit of a wait till January 2015. And this surely is going to be an event worth the wait, with many more schools, parents and children. So look out for the next Premier School exhibition in the capital.